Now today let's start with chapter number 9, AI evolution and its type. So in this chapter we will study about AI, artificial intelligence. Let's study about the introduction. One of the growing technology of computer science is AI. It can make computer control robot software. It can think like human mind. It is interesting field of computer science that has a great scope in future. So the term artificial intelligence consists of two words, artificial intelligence, where artificial means man-made or intelligence means ability to understand and think about different things like gaming, finance, data security, social media, automotive, robotics, entertainment, e-commerce, education, agriculture, transport. These all are AI. Right? In the word using AI, we can design intelligent machine. And AI is all around. Today it is used in every field such as education, healthcare, agriculture, social media, and entertainment. So what is evolution of AI? In 1943, Warren McLuhan and Walter Pitts, it initiated a phototype of artificial neuron. Then in 1949, Donald Hebb studied the influence of repeated neural activities and studied the influence of repeated neural activities with established theory which is popular known as Hebbian. Which established his theory popularly known as Hebbian learning with strength of connections between neurons. So in 1950, Alan Turing published Computing Machine and Intelligence, in which he put forward a text better known as Turing test. Right? So the text examined the ability of machine to indicate intelligence behavior quite similar to human intelligence. After 1950, AI came into existence. 1956 में Alan Neville, Herbert Asivan designer artificial intelligence program जिसका नाम था Logic Theorist. It's verified 38 mathematics theory in 1956 at Dartmouth Conference. The term AI was first coined by American computer scientist John McCarthy. 1960 में Unimate पहला industrial robot था. It was invented by George Devol, which was put to work at General Motors plant in New Jersey. It replaced human working on the assembly line in the factory. Right, 1966 में Joseph Weizenbaum designed first chatbot named Eliza, which makes natural language conservation between man and machine possible. 1969 में first electronic person from Stanford University general purpose mobile robot with AI. It has the ability to give reason of on action. 1973 में पहला इंटेलिजेंट ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट था जिसका नाम था वेबबॉट फर्स्ट. इट वाज क्रिएटेड इन जापान. 1980 में AI powered with expert systems. Stanford University held the first national conference in American Association. 1997 में आप देखेंगे कि IBM Deep Blue Rose it defeated the World Chess Championship Gary Kasparov and become the first computer to do so. 1998 में आपके मैनचेस्टर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी पायनेट किस्मत दिस रोबोट वाज कोड विद इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस दैट कुड डिटेक्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्ड टू पीपल इमोशंस. 1999 में सोनी इनोवेशन द फर्स्ट कंज्यूमर रोबोट पैट डॉग आइबो. इट्स स्किल्स एंड पर्सनालिटी इज एक्सेप्टेड टू डेवलप ग्रेजुअली. AI powered vacuum cleaner named Roomba made entry into homes for the first time. Now 2011 Apple released Siri built-in voice control personal assistant. 12 में Google ने अपना Google Now लेके आया जो आपको information provide करता है with user as prediction. 2014 chatbot Iguni Ghostman would turning test competition. Amazon launched Alexa, an intelligent virtual assistant. It is a we give voice command and it's connected to the internet. 2015 Google AlphaGo beat FanQui become the first computer Go program to defeat human professionals Go player namely FanQui, and then it beats South Korean player Lee Sedol in March 2016. 2017 में it beat the world champion Kiji in the board game. This game is known for its huge number of possible positions. 2016 Hanson Robotics developed cloud-based AI-powered humanoid robot Sophia. It is the first robot citizen in the world, and the image shows Sophia and its creator David Hansika. Now, types of AI. We have different types of AI. First is reactive, united, limited theory, and theory of mind self-aware. Reactive, they do not deal with data. ये एक स्पेसिफिक फील्ड के लिए स्पेशलाइज्ड होते हैं. जैसे चेस गेम है, जो मशीन जो होगा वो मूव करेगा और अराइव करेगा टू द नेक्स्ट पॉसिबल disciplined. Limited memory, they gain experience from previously collected data. They have enough experience to make correct decision, right? But they have minimum memory. जो memory होती है बहुत कम होती है. Machine can be recommended a book stall which is based on location. Theory of mind, which will be able to understand feeling and emotion. Self-aware, they are intelligent and aware of themselves. ये future generation AI technologies है. Now let's study about the language. So it is an important part of human life. It is used for developing. आप इससे develop कर सकते हो, new computer programs build कर सकते हो, right? The AI program can be made using following language: R, Java, Julia, CCC, Python, and Prolog. Now, AI in education. AI is widely used in education. Education has become an important part of our life. AI has a potential to enhance both learning and teaching. It helps in education sector to make it better for the teacher and the student. Now we have few roles of artificial intelligence. First is automatic grading. So AI system can do basic activities in schools and colleges. It helps in teacher in automatic grading, in test. Now AI tutors in class, each student is not smart enough to grasp all the things at once. They need additional support for that, right? Now personalized learning, it assists student in learning through customized study schedules and customized learning based on specific needs. Generating smart content, students can use ebooks, study guides, digital lesson, and many other things with help of AIs. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Let's move to the exercise now. Tick the correct option. First is, which of the following is the field of AI? Robotics. Which of the following language is used in creating AI program? Python. AI helps in education sector in teaching. Which of the following AI machine gain experience from previous data? That is limited memory. Now fill in the blanks. Using AI we can create. हम क्या create कर सकते हैं? New machines. AI system can generate machines. The voice control assistant Siri is created by, किसने create करा? Apple. Amazon launched Dash, an intelligent virtual assistant, Alexa. Now write T for true and F for false statement. A computer controlled robot is made using AI. It's true. AI machines have feeling. False, they do not have feeling. The Java language is used for creating AI program. It's true. AI system can calculate growth of students. It's true. Now answer the following question. What is AI? Artificial intelligence क्या होते हैं? In which field we use? Education में use करते हैं हम, jobs में. What did AI evolve? When did AI evolve? Right? Next, what is Siri? Then you have to tell what is Siri and write any two language in which we AI program is created. Java, CCC, Python. कोई भी आप language लिख सकते हो. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.